Congratulations everybody. This is Shikha Mondol, MA B.Ed, LLB, M.Ed, Assistant Teacher English, Bodbunia Collegiate School, Dakop, Khulna. Dear learners, how are you? Fine, thank you. Now a virtual class are going on. Dear learners, you are well known to this class. Now I invite you to enjoy my class and visit and enjoy it. Dear learners, I play on a music and your duty is to find out the lyrics. Which song is? Okay, try to gauge on. Okay, try to find out the lyrics. Which song is? Okay, dear learners, Amar Bhaiyer Rakte Rangano. Start on, dear learners. Now I show a picture and your duty is to which kinds of picture and this song is related the picture. Okay, watch the picture, dear learner. Start on. Dear learner, can you see the picture? Okay, the picture. Okay, the picture is Shahid Minar and the day is 21st February. Dear learners, can you watch it clear? So, dear learners, our today's class lesson 21st February, another name our International Mother Language Day. Okay, our today's lesson, dear learners, open your EFT book and Unit 3 here, Unit 3 and Lesson 3. Dear learners, our today's lesson International Mother Language. Mother Language Day. Okay, dear learners, our today's lesson International Mother Language Day. Okay, let us discuss our International Mother Language Day. Dear learners, we know 21st February is a memorable day. We observe it in every year and it is observed all over the world. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language of our mother tongues. Dear learners, your duty is to read out the passage silent, and now I write question number 1. The question number 1 is choose the best answer. Dear learners, here question number 1, choose the best answer. Question number 1A, the word diversity means. Here option 3. The best option variety. Number B, morning songs have been sang. Morning songs have been sang to dash the matters. Here option recollect, call again, call off. Dear learners, best answer recollect. Okay. Next, number C. In the passage, the word recall. Option to call again, to call, remember, to call, remember something, to call someone. Here option to call something. Okay, dear learners, can you understand it clearly? Here now we are going to state. Now we are going to question number 2. Here I write some question on board, and your duty is to find out the answer on the passage. Okay, dear learners, question number 2. Here some question, and your duty is to find out the answer on your passage. A2 book. Question number here, on why is 21st February called Shohid Divas? 21st February is called Shohid Divas as our martyrs sacrificed their lives on this day for our mother language. Next question, how do people go to the Shohid Minar? How do people go to the Shohid Minar? People go to the Shohid Minar to pay tribute the people go to the Shohid Minar to pay tribute to the martyrs of language movement. Next question number, why do they go there? They go there barefooted in a procession, wearing black badges and in a row. Okay, question number 3. Why do they go there? They go there to pay tribute to the martyrs and remember their great sacrifice for our mother language. Next, question number 4. Who observed 21st February? Dear learners, you are well known to this, the person all over the all classes of people and all over the world observe it. Next question, question number 5. What is it built? Dear learners, built mean made of. It is built, though it is built concrete. It is built our martyrs' blood actually, and it remains our martyr every year. Okay, dear learners, understand it clearly. Now write down your notebook, your home task. Okay, dear learners, have you written your home task? Write a paragraph about 21st February that you have observed in your school every year. Understand it? Dear learners, keep well at stay. See you next class. Bye.